Hello, thanks for coming. Just have a quick moment here. Something weird is happening in this machine. It's all fine. I push on this one RAM chip and the cursor goes crazy fast. So I'm thinking that definitely there is a failure in that RAM chip. I'm pushing on some other ones. I'm trying to keep the camera. That's the one. And it's hot. Anyway, thank you. This is the blue bezel full keyboard thing. And if I press enter, well, it's working, but it didn't before. Okay, there. Weird things are happening. All right, I'm gonna keep my finger on this. I gotta look. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thanks for coming. Wait, let's try that again. Yep, something up there, either a socket, a cold solder joint, or a bad RAM. Bye for now.